Hi everyone. Today in maths we are going to do the rounding off to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands. I will give an example of one of the sum and the rest you all have to do it. Number 1, round 38 to the nearest tens. So 38 to the nearest tens means we know 3 is equal to T and 8 is equal to O. That is, if we write it, we can write it in this way. 3 is equal to T and 8 is equal to O. Now what will happen? 3 tens, 8 ones. We can convert 3 to 4, that is we can write it as 40 or we can write it 3 as 20. But if we subtract 38 and 40, the answer is 2. And if we subtract 20 and 38, the answer is 18. Like this. It's very simple. We need to subtract 40 and 38. The answer will be 2. And we need to subtract 38 and 10. The answer is 28. Sorry. Yes, I'm correct, right? Yes, it's 28. So between 2 and 28, the lesser one is 2. So the correct answer will be 40. In the same way, you all have to solve the rest of the sum. This is worksheet number 1. Solve the sums. Send me the answer in comment. I will check and let you know whether you are correct or not. In the next worksheet, we have the same type of sums. Solve this sums also, and you all can send it to the comment section or you can check it from here. These answers I have uploaded here in this slide. Please everyone subscribe my video, click the bell icon and press the like button so that before anyone else you all can enjoy my video. Bye everyone. We'll meet again tomorrow with a new topic, that is Roman numerals.